Hello future innovators. Have you ever wondered how light behaves, or what happens to matter when it gets extremely cold, colder than ice, even? One Indian scientist, Satyendra Nath Bose, helped answer these fascinating questions. His groundbreaking work in physics led to the discovery of an entirely new type of particle and transformed our understanding of the universe. Let us begin by learning some basic information about this great scientist and his work. He was born on the 1st of January 1894 in Calcutta, British India. He passed away on the 4th of February 1974 in Kolkata, West Bengal. He was a pioneering Indian physicist whose work laid the foundation for quantum mechanics. He is best known for Bose-Einstein statistics and the prediction of the Bose-Einstein condensate, a unique state of matter observed at extremely low temperatures. His research on the behavior of light particles, called photons, not only influenced modern physics but also led to the naming of a whole class of particles, bosons, in his honor. Bose's brilliant mind and innovative thinking have made him one of India's most celebrated scientists. Let's explore his groundbreaking work. Bose was a curious student who loved numbers and logic. In 1924, while teaching at the University of Dhaka, he explored how tiny particles of light, called photons, behave. Instead of using traditional methods, he introduced a brand new idea, Bose-Einstein statistics. He sent his work to Albert Einstein, who immediately recognized its brilliance. Together, they predicted a strange state of matter called the Bose-Einstein condensate. It appears only when atoms are cooled to near absolute zero. Bose's ideas also led to the discovery of bosons, particles that don't mind sharing space. Unlike electrons, which avoid each other, bosons like to stay together. Light is made of bosons, and so is the Higgs boson, a particle that helps give mass to other particles. Bose didn't stop at research. He taught at the universities of Dhaka and Calcutta. He has helped build India's science institutions like CSIR and ISI. He promoted science in Indian languages and made it accessible to all. Encouraged students to do original research and publish in Indian journals. Bose recognition. He was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 1954, India's second highest civilian honor, by the Government of India for his outstanding contribution to science. He was appointed National Professor in 1959, the highest academic honor in India for a scholar, a position he held for 15 years. In 1937, the famous poet Rabindranath Tagore dedicated his only science book, Vishwa Parichay, to Bose in recognition of his scientific brilliance. He became a Fellow of the prestigious Royal Society in London in 1958. One of the highest recognitions for a scientist worldwide. Please, like, share, subscribe.